Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One of the biggest frustrations with car repairs? Unclear repair timelines. Not knowing when your car will be ready can throw off your plans. But at Arts, we provide clear, reliable timelines you can count on. Let me tell you about Ethan, a local realtor who came to us last month. His 2019 Subaru Outback had a scratched rear quarter panel from a tight parking garage. Ethan was frustrated by other shops that gave vague completion dates, leaving him stranded. We gave him a detailed repair plan with a specific timeline, updated him at each stage, and finished his Outback right on schedule. Ethan said, "Art's clear timeline made planning so easy. My car looks fantastic. Here's our approach. We assess your car, map out every step, and give you a precise timeline up front. From part sourcing to final polish, our Pomona team keeps you informed, so you're never left guessing. Whether it's a dent or a major fix, we stick to our schedule. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we make repairs predictable and stress-free. Want a shop that respects your time? Stop by or call for a free estimate today. Ready for repairs with clear timelines? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to book your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint. On time, every time.